Okay, guys. So I get a lot of questions about how do I keep up with the gateways, meaning the cities, the departure cities that I service the most in terms of flights, because everybody wants the best flight, right? So I'm sharing my secret tip with you. I like to use this site, which is flightsfrom.com, to help me kind of keep track of all the different flights that are in and out of the major cities that I deal with the most. It will tell me how many times a day or monthly nonstop flights are coming out of that gateway, as well as which airlines, and it'll even break it down to the days and the times. So, as you can see here, I have Baltimore, which is at the top. You just kind of choose your city. I'm going to choose Baltimore, and I'm going to say Cancun, which is what we have on the screen here. And you'll see it says airlines with direct flights from Baltimore to Cancun are offered on Spirit, Southwest, and Frontier. As you can see, Spirit has one daily flight. Southwest offers 2 to 3 daily flights, and Frontier is also one daily flight. So when we look at the monthly calendar, well, let's go to weekly. So during the week, it's only the 7:30 a.m. flight on Spirit. You have a 9:30 and a 1:50 flight for Southwest. And on Saturdays, they actually add a third option, which is at 12:55. So that's good to know. And then on weekly or daily, Frontier has a 9:28 a.m. flight and a 8:19 a.m. flight that leaves directly between the two cities. And this is kind of how I get this information. So when I'm looking at my preferred vendors, trying to figure out what is the best airline out of that gateway, I don't necessarily rack my brain about it. I check out flightsfrom.com. And so this is my daily tip to you. And hopefully you can use this in your travel business too.